Hey, I'm James Vegerson. I'm a fifth-year resident at LSU Oral Surgery. I'm actually here because I'm one of the rotating residents here in Charlotte, but I'm here at the CIA course today to learn more about implants and get a hands-on experience. In addition to the hands-on, which is awesome, we get a lot of clinical pearls from Dr. Kapitan. And I think having placed some full arch implants this year, the minor details and differences in what he's teaching allows me to bring something back to like my own practice and my program, and helps me elevate my full arch implant practice. I think I'm going to be able to implement it as soon as I see my next full arch patient. I think some of the biggest pearls for me are some of those like conversation points and how to discuss treatment plans with the patients and discuss expectations with them. So I think it's applicable the minute you leave the course. I would definitely come back. I think there's so much to learn, and we're just scratching the surface here today.